finding support and resistance on a channel to identify where to get into the trade, a lot of times we look at the chart and we start eyeballing all the lows to figure out how to put our channel, either from here to here, here to here, maybe even a little tighter up, which, just a little side note, I call this the wave, because as you can see, all of the support starts to go up until it breaks like a wave and price comes down. But that's not what we're here for today. So we could draw our lines like this, and then we could find these high sides of the lines, but then we can see price came up so much higher. What's the deal? So we change the channel, find another high, and seemingly we have the same problem. How do we fix this? Well, one way is to go to a higher time frame, maybe from 2-year to 5-year, and 5-day now to weekly, using a higher time frame when finding the lows for a reversal, meaning right now price would have to come down, go back up, giving us another higher low before breaking lower, confirming the downtrend. And then we would do a bearish continuation. But for now on this chart, we want to know how to enter against resistance. And with a bigger time frame and candlesticks, the noise starts to get reduced down, giving us better confirmations of true highs up against resistance. Here we are coming across the lows, going up to the highs, getting closer, coming across the lows, and now we finally found it. After all of these drawings, we found the one that seems to work the best for resistance. But if we went to a higher time frame, it reduces down our choices, because now this is the only high. And even with that, there's some possibility for failure. But now instead of drawing 4 lines, there was just 2 choices. And we see this is a better resistance level as price sells off. 2-year 1-day seems pretty straightforward. Nice highs and lows channel. Price came up against that and selling off a little. 5-year 1 week, and it points out that same thing. But the benefit of 5-year 1 week, it allows you to add other lines to see if there's any other confluence. Kind of like this one. Do you use these highs and lows? These highs and lows? Price never came up that high. If we use these highs, currently price hasn't come up there yet. And then looking at the 5-year 1 week, we can see there's a lot of resistance diagonally here that price is currently at. 2-year 1 day, this seems like a no-brainer. Easy to see. And for that, maybe you don't use the 5-year 1 week. I don't know that there's any additional benefit here. Maybe just the ability to see a huge Elliott wave completion into resistance. 2-year 1 day, support, resistance, breakout, no good. Support, resistance, meaning price would have to move all the way back up here. Maybe take it the other way, resistance, support based off these 2 candlesticks. Still giving you a little bit more to go. On a 5-year chart, from highs to higher highs, it gives us a little bit better angle. So now maybe you can use that first entry at this resistance level, and if it goes higher, double down. 2-year chart, no brainer. Comes up a little bit higher, no big deal. 5-year chart, pretty much the same. But instead of using these highs here, because that's all you could see, using this high here, you could have entered the trade on the first line, then use this higher line as a double down. Lows up to highs. Here we are right now. 5-year 1 week, using these old highs, gives us the same confirmation, which is nice. Just confirms that that's a good resistance line to take a trade. The other nice thing about making your lines on a 5-year 1 week and you drop it down to a 2-year 1 day, it confirms the polynomial. So you could draw these lines yourself or use one of these trading systems. Sometimes it might be a little bit different, giving you the edge to be patient and waiting and getting in the trade. But a lot of time they run parallel, just giving you that extra confirmation that up against resistance is a good place to take a trade, especially when you see crossovers. The more things letting your eyeballs see that this is resistance, good place to take a trade, the better. So are you going to use a higher time frame to draw your channels?